Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at testing time. I'm going to do a review of testing time, how much I've earned so far. I'm also going to show you the payment proof, or we're going to redeem the money. On this video, I'll show you the withdrawal method, and we're going to withdraw the money into my PayPal account. So watch the videos here at the end. I've shared a lot of videos on how to make money from different websites, but some people keep asking for proof. That is why I've decided to do a review. So I'm going to be doing a review of all the websites that I've shared and how much I've earned from each of them. But for today's video, we're going to focus on testing time. Okay, so if you're interested, watch the video till the end. Imagine earning up to $50 from your country, convert it to your currency. You know how much it is in this hard economy. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything you need to know about testing time. This is not a promotional video, it's because I've earned, and I want you guys, my subscribers, to also earn from testing time. That is why I've come back to make a review of the video I made in the past. I've made a video about testing time, but today's own, we're going to see payment proof and how much I've earned so far, so that you stop doubting and just sign up. Okay, don't forget that it depends on your location, the type or the amount of jobs or surveys or tasks that I get from my location might not be the same with your location. Okay, your location determines the type of task you get, because these companies, before they sign up for, or before they start searching for people like us to complete the task for them, they also request for specific countries and locations. So your country determines how many tasks you get. Okay, so how it goes is that whenever there's an available task that matches your profile, they will send you an email and then you sign up. If you're approved, if you fit the criteria of the person or the profile they are looking for, they will send you an invitation to complete the surveys, and then sometimes they pair you up with focus group where you come and do discussions. Like the one I just finished a couple of days ago was we had group discussion, about 5 of us, concerning Afro hair. Okay, and we got paid. It was really an interesting one. So watch the video to the end. I don't want to talk too much. I just want us to dive straight into the video. And don't forget to subscribe if today is the first time we talk about how to make money here. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch the video. Don't forget to share to other people in different locations. Leave a like, leave a comment, and let's dive in. So this is the interface of testing time. They also have a mobile app. If you want the mobile app, just go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the mobile app. This is the interface, and you can come here and click on Become a Tester. And then once you click on it, it takes you to the sign up page where you sign up with your email address and start earning immediately. So because I've already signed up, there will be no need for me to go through all that. We'll just go straight in. So this is how it goes. Like, for example, if there's an available study for you, it will pop up like this on your dashboard. This is the available studies right now for me. It's a 15-minute online survey that is worth about £20. So all I would do is just to click on apply. If it is available, then I complete it. If it matches my profile, they will take me and pay me. All right. So the good thing is that a tip that I'm going to give to you guys is that once you receive this kind of email, just go straight and complete it. Don't say tomorrow. Don't waste any time, because before you know it, it is gone. And once they have gotten the number of people they need for that particular study, they will not take any further. So like this one now has been here for a couple of time now, and I'm sure if I click on apply, it won't be there anymore. So I just wanted to show you guys how it works. This is how your studies will come up on your dashboard. It's very simple. The interface is very simple and friendly. So I'm also going to show you guys how the email works. how the email works. Whenever there's available studies, they will always send you emails like this. So for instance, this one that I got paid for, it says it's a remote moderated Zoom discussion that we had. It's we're about 5 people that were invited for that one, and we talked about natural hair, our afro hair, our hair care, and how often we wash our hair. We spoke about so many things about hair care line and products. 5 of us, okay, and I accepted it. If I had cancelled, it would have been cancelled, right? So I accepted it. I filled in the information they asked for, and I was selected. And that one particularly was for people in the UK, and the moderator was from the US. Okay, so like I said, your location will determine the type of studies that comes your way. And again, they have to choose people from the same location all the time. I mean, if someone wants the company to do this kind of usability testing or product reviews for them, they would request for a certain country or location. Then they would then send out invitations to people from those countries. That is how it works. Okay, so this is when I was sent the email, the Zoom user link and everything, and they sent it for this one. And then after that, after completing the studies as the focus group that we had, you can see the second email I was sent today. The incentive is now visible in your wallet. So once you complete the focus group, the incentive will be visible in your wallet like this one. So this is how much I made from that discussion, the group discussion we had 2 days ago, £50. And I made £4 in the past, which I have withdrawn into my PayPal. So this is the second payment, because it's until I started making these videos that I had to take them seriously. They keep sending me studies, but I don't really pay attention to them. But now that I started making these videos, I said, why don't I start making money as well, like as I'm making these videos? So this is my proof of payment here. And I also want to talk about the referral program. You can see that it pays £5 for every person who registers with us using your personal link. So you can share this link to all your social media platforms. People in other countries might even sign up using your link. So imagine you share it on TikTok, people in the US, Canada, Australia signs up using your link. You earn £5 or $5 depending on your currency, right? So the referral program is really the best, the number one thing that will help you to earn a lot of money. So share your referral links to your WhatsApp statuses. I always talk about it. Okay. So how to withdraw this money now is to, and again, the minimum payout for this one is £8 or $8. Okay. That is the minimum payout. Once you reach $8, you're free to withdraw your money. So now that I've reached £50, this is how it works. You request for full payment, and you see where it says payout request received. The confirmation email is on the way. So the minimum payout is £18. Sorry, I made a mistake in the first one. It's £18. So because I already linked my payout PayPal account, it's automatic. Okay, but you can also revoke it if you feel like you don't want to withdraw. Well, yeah, I've requested for the withdrawal to my PayPal account. Once it's ready, you'll get the notification. Your money will be in your PayPal account. You see how easy it is to make £50 just by sitting in the comfort of your home. Less than 1 hour or about 1 hour discussion we had, and I made £50. So go and sign up, guys. Stop sleeping. Sign up. Regardless of your location, just sign up, refer a friend to make money from referral program and start making money. Okay. So I think this will do it for us. After I requested for the money, it says we received your payout request and we transfer the amount of £50 to your PayPal account within the next 10 business days. The payout request can be stopped as long as the revoke button in your participation history is activated. So if you want to revoke it, you can, but I'm not interested in revoking it. I need my money in my PayPal account. So within 10 business days, sometimes it doesn't last up to that long, and you receive your money in your PayPal account. How cool is that? Go and sign up, guys. Sign up using the link in the description box, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have started earning from testing time in the past, let us know how much you've earned so far. I'll continue to share updates with you guys. Okay, we're here to help each other to succeed in this money-making era. Okay, and thank you guys for sticking with me to the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video.